You will be amazed by this 2023 Honda CR-V. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. You'll love the high-end feel and powerful performance of this sleek CR-V. This small SUV also comes fully loaded with advanced safety and infotainment technology, clever creature comforts, and a can-do attitude. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers, traction control. Give yourself the upgrade you deserve. Get into the Honda CR-V and drive well. We'll put you behind the wheel today.